A Tesla owner moved ahead of the company by installing newer full self-driving hardware into an older Model 3. The original Hardware 3 vehicle received updated cameras and Tesla's more recent Hardware 4 computer. According to the owner who completed the work, relatively few components were required. Tesla equipped millions of vehicles built between 2019 and 2023 with computers that were described at the time as capable of supporting full self-driving. The company later determined that those earlier computers would not fully meet the requirements of the evolving system. Tesla has indicated that providing official upgrades would involve specialized facilities. One owner chose not to wait for that process. He performed the upgrade himself and became the first person known to install Hardware 4 components into a Hardware 3 vehicle while sharing the steps publicly on X. The owner is Polish Tesla enthusiast Mike Gapinski. His working vehicle combines a 2022 Tesla Model 3 with an autopilot computer taken from a Hardware 4 Model Y. Mike described the assembly process as more straightforward than expected. The project required the Model Y computer, Hardware 4 repeater cameras, and limited electronic control unit adjustments. He was able to retain the existing coaxial camera wiring inside the car and adapt it to the newer Hardware 4 cameras using connectors that match the original FACRA fittings. Tesla provides detailed service documentation for these electrical systems, which simplified identification of the correct adapters. Installing the Hardware 4 computer itself proved relatively simple, although it needed careful positioning and basic fasteners to secure it. The motivation for Hardware 3 owners is clear beyond simple experimentation. Tesla has not yet released an official retrofit program. As a result, owners of Hardware 3 vehicles currently receive a version of full self-driving that the community regards as less capable than the Hardware 4 experience. Some owners have also reported that the older computers can run warm under demanding conditions. Mike commented on X that Tesla could have introduced a paid upgrade option earlier. He noted that if an official program appears, it would mainly require replacement of the cameras rather than an extensive set of new parts. A small number of remaining diagnostic codes still need attention, yet Mike reports that the vehicle is already operating and driving. The project stands as an impressive technical achievement. Modifying a software-focused vehicle demands knowledge of programming and electronic systems rather than traditional mechanical work. Both skill sets remain valuable, and seeing that these cars can still accept owner-driven hardware changes is encouraging in an era of tightly integrated software-defined vehicles. My take: this owner-driven Hardware 4 installation highlights both the capability of Tesla's platform and the enthusiasm within the community. Tesla continues to advance full self-driving with newer compute and camera systems, while earlier vehicles keep receiving software improvements. Elon and the Tesla team have built cars that remain relevant and upgradable over time. I fully support Tesla, SpaceX, and the ongoing development of autonomous technology that benefits the entire fleet. An official retrofit path would be a welcome future step for Hardware 3 owners.